I've got to make it at home. Cam, can anybody add up this card? 6. Can anybody add up this card? 6. These are not the same 6s. This 6 is the same as this 5. Why? Because the center, okay, is ignited by this one here. If we speak north and we speak south, we speak the center that ignites both from here to here or from here to here. If I plug it in here, I'm not plugging it in here. These 4, 2 is not 6, it is 5. 2 and 4, Venus and Mars, create Saturn. Okay, Saturn inside Earth. 1 inside 2. This is what creates Earth over here. This will create 7. 2 and 5 will create 7. 2 and 6 do not create 8. The actual 8, okay, is either over here, or if we can go into what they call the Jungle Book cards for the Jungle Book movie and take the cards out of the deck. And we're going to look for number 8. Number 8 in the Jungle Book is this. Okay, the 8, okay, is the same as the regular 9. Do you see the 9? H and I are the same letter, and only in here do they show you the H crossing over or the header for the I. Remember, when it comes from above, we only need this side and this side. We do not need the continuation. This is a flow from here to here and continuous. From here to here and is a continuous. This is a V shape. This shape over here will create the chalice or the inside beehive of the Magen David. This is the 8 card, okay? This is the 8 card. It is not like this is the 9 card in the same game. Do you see the way they're playing the 9 card like the 10 card? Okay, they're showing 4 down and 5 up. Okay, that is the number to the sun. In the regular 9 card, they show 5 up and 4 down. But this one is actually shared. It is a connector. This one connects to this one. Upside down, right, they become the heart. Right side up, look, you see this? And this, these are the same. These are hearts. This one upside down becomes a heart. Okay, this is the tree growing out of the ground, and this would be the fruit on the ground. The 7 card is played the same. Okay, the 6 card, the 7 card, the 6 card, the 10 card are all the same in the Jungle Book, but the 9 card is not the same. The 8 card is not the same. 2 cards that are not the same in the Jungle Book are these 2 cards here. Okay, completely different. This one is showing you 3 and 3, a split house. This one is showing you 4 and 4, 2 area spaces, 2 singletarian circles, and then this one will come together. 4, 4, 4. In this 8 over here, okay, in this 8 over here, you have the halfway house connecting the 4. Here there is no halfway house connecting the 4. Here's a 4, and here's a 4, and here's a 4. This one over here is connecting 3 and 3. 3 and 3, 6, 2 in the center. 3 and 3 is 6. This one is 4, and 4 is 8. Not the center one at all. Okay, so these are some of the things I wanted to point out in the cards. Just give me a second. You see, in the cards, 1 plus 2 will equal 3. 3 and 4 will equal 7. 5 and 2 will equal 7. 1 and 6 will equal 7. Okay, but in the cube, 1 and 2 equals to 3, right? 1 and 3 equals to 3, but 3 opposite to 4 only equals to 5. So in the cube world, 7 equals 5 on 2 sides, because 2 and 5 on the cube, you can see the duplicate corners here to the duplicate corners here. 2 and 5 equals 5. 2 do not count. So remember, because we have 7 ghosts, if 2 does not count, then neither does the 7 ghosts, right? The 7 ghosts, okay, on this side, okay, are not the same. On this side, there are 4 ghosts, all the empty spaces. On this side, there are 7 ghosts. But when you flip it on this side, the other 2 corners are taken. So there are no longer 7 ghosts here. There are 6, 5. There are 4 ghosts on this side. Okay, one here, one in the center, one down here are 3 ghosts. One down here, and one down here are all used. Only on the south side, only on the side over here. There's no ghost here. Let me take out another cube. Let me take out another cube. See, on this side, you see, all this would end up on here. So this would end up looking like this. Okay, so it would have only 4 areas, right here, right here, right here, and right here. See the way this creates the X letter? Okay, so we're going to work on something else now. Now I'm doing some of these fresh. Here's 8 and 9. 9 and 8 equals 17. No, 9 and 8 does not equal 17. These 4, okay, over here are represented by this one over here. These 4 over here, okay, north, south, these 2 are the same level because we're always living in the same rotation. Okay, these are all energies. I don't know. I'm not in. I shouldn't even mention it. So 9 and 8 is 17, but it's 4. These 4 will link. This one here will link these 2. This one here will link these 2, which link these 2 here and these 2 here. I mean, we're just doing basic mathematics. Why are we doing this? Because in the greater understanding in life, once we understand all the functions of everything, our mind, we live in a mind world. Everything is pieced together. Whatever you think will go into a big ball, okay, until the energies are strong enough to start coming back to us and going, oh my God, I understand. How did I know? How did I win every single race? How come the odds are always 210 or whatever? But 9 plus 4. The 8 card is actually the 4 card. The other 4 are already owned in the 9 card. We don't need them. 9 and 4 is 13. 9 and 8, 17 equals 13. 17 equals 13. Now if we take 9 and 6, 9 and 6, which would be 15, don't count the corners. You see 6 and 8, right? Let me go back to something over here. 6 and 8 are 101 away from 7, okay? In the game of craps, they get both the same odds. On the dice, okay, on the dice, let me just put them down. On the dice, 6 and 2, 8 will make 5 and 1, 6. Okay. 5 and 3, 8. 5 and 3, 8 will make what? Will make 2 and 4, 6. Okay. 15. Everything's got to be in between 15, right? Everything is between 15 and 51, right? 16 is the next one. 16 up. Okay, listen to this. Listen to this. Since everything is 2, 3, and 4 in between 5 and 1, from 15 to 51 equals to 36 creation. In between, there are actually 35, Earth and Jupiter, okay? But if we don't touch each one, if we don't touch 16 or 17, we take 18. If we don't touch 51, we touch 50, we touch 49. It is 49, 15, 16, 17, 18. 51, 49, 51, 50, 49, 48, 48 and 18. 84 is Pluto, 18 is a resident angel, Ra. This is how we have to set it up. Okay, we always have to remember that 8 is just like 6. It's just the alter side to 6. 8 is the alter side to 6. Okay, so then if we have to know that if we're going to run below 41, we're also rolling below, or we're rolling above 61. It's 61 to 81 because it's 101. It's 101 away from 7. 61 to 81. But now we're working on the low side. Okay, the low side of 51, okay? Remember, this is very complicated because 9 has 1 in it, okay? 8 is the heaven and 9 lives in the heaven. The birth lives in the 2 heavens, okay? And it lives in the 2 heavens as 6 inside 7 and inside the moons of 8, because 6, 7, and 8, which equals to 21, all have the 6 markings the same. If you would look at this card, this 876, you would say 2, 1, 0. The 8 has 2, the 7 has 1, the 6 has none. The 6 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 empty spaces, 9 empty ghosts on the 6. Inside here, here is 3. Here is 3. And 1, 1, and 1 is 3. There's 9 missing. This would be 15. Understanding your cards will bring back the vibration. Duh. So there's a lot of things we don't understand, okay? There's a lot of things we don't know. We do know that 5 times 2 and 5 plus 2 equals 7 and 10. Take a look the same as the seven card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is not the same as the 10 card, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two are in the 7. It's 3, 1, 3, 1. 3, 2, 3, or 3, 1, 3, 1. 3 here, these 3 here. These 3 here. Okay? These 3 here. This one comes into this one here, and then it runs boom, boom, boom. The V over here. 0, V equals 5. If you want to go down straight line here and straight line here, it's V11 for 7. If you want to look at the 8 card and see if that works, we have V, and then we have V again. 2 V's and a 1 in between and a 1 here. Plus 3 and 3 is plus inside this. This would create an empty plus sign. There's just so much that we can do. 8 and 9. In this world, the Jungle Book, right? The world where you're not supposed to lie about the truth, about certain things. 9 minus 8, or 8 inside 9, 17, actually only equals 9. This one, it equals 9, and the other one, just to refresh, okay, 6. Is it 6? Yes. No, 9 and 8, and in the other world, excuse me, 9 and 8 in the other world, okay, 8 equals 4 in this world. 8 equals 0 in this world. 4 and 0. 0 is 4 because you go 1, 2, 3, and then 0. D is 0. It's in between 1, 2, 3, nothing. 1, 2, 3, nothing. It's like the water between the islands. Raphael, 7286, in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.